Welcome to our next tutorial of Mesh to Surface for Solidworks. Let's bring in our demonstration part. I'll go to Mesh to Surface tab and press Import. And this time I will just bring in the basic part which already has been aligned. I will use map Z to Y axis to be in the right orientation. When you import the mesh, Solidworks not always lighten up properly the model, so I recommend that you just click on this apply scene and put it on plain white mode so you can see the mesh in the best way. Before I continue, I will just use the mesh selection and select just one area here for the purposes of demonstration. What I want to do now is just try to do a cross section. You have learned already how to start and create cross sections with our tools. As you can see, this is our slicing plane. I'll just put it somewhere here. I made the selection, so I can always just use the true selection only, so I can just get the extraction of this specific area. In many cases, if you want to do high quality reverse engineering, the accuracy is really important, so it might be necessary to get more sections here, what we call the stacked sections, and I'll show you what this means now. If I select the stacked sections, what the software will do, will take the volume, the extension of the selected areas, and we'll slice it 10 times in this example. You can always change this value to 20, for example, and so you can get this much more accurate. So what happens here is that all the sections are get from the mesh, and they are projected, actually, all of them, into our resulting cross section that will be used for guidance further in your 2D sketching process. I can always just say that I want to create our data onto our slicing plane. But what you see here is actually 3 planes. One is the major one, which you can move and you can slice. But there is 2 other extra planes that actually show you the range that will be applied. So in this way, I can always just move and adjust my extra 2 additional planes so I can get our section of interest. So this is what you want to do now, just to extract the areas of interest, and when you press OK, all of the points will be projected into our slicing plane. And to make the demonstration, I will just hide the mesh because I don't need it, and I will create my simple sketch. I will zoom in for you so you can understand better what happened. As you can see here, there are many other sections from the mesh, but they have been projected. This is very useful because you can now, when you select and extract your circle, for example, it will get the most accurate best fit of all the points that has been extracted for the mesh. I hope this information is useful. Thank you for watching.